Hey Kimberly and other people, I'm gonna do the morning routine here at the farm. I'm gonna time myself. It's 7:52. Oh, that's great, it's backwards. My goal is gonna be to get all done in an hour and a half. It includes escaped animals, perimeter checks, opening bale of hay. Let's see if I can do it. All right, 7:57. I'm outside. Where is it too? One, two, three, four. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, crisis averted. No sheep are out. I think it was GPS drift. Hi, Fluffy. Oh, my baby. You want to come in? You want to come in?
Hey, sweetness.
No!
Oh, you got your wing down.
No!
Oh, I'm trying to protect them.
No!
Oh, there's 2 alien eggs in there.
No! No!
Thanks, Harvard Sportsman's Club. Douchebags. We're losing voltage this way, it says. You got your food? Weird. Fluffy, I've been looking for this shoe. It's been missing. And you've had it this whole time? River wants his shoes. Look, you chewed it off the thing. Fluffy, say I'm naughty. Say I'm a bad, bad dog. How'd you get a shoe, huh? You giant polar bear creature. How'd you do it? Let me see this collar. Ah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Stop stealing my kids' clothes. Cletus! Cletus, there's a fucking chicken in the road. Call the fucking police. Cletus, it is going to die. Move you. Make all my neighbors call me. What are you doing? There's no food there, Cletus.